Yo, what's up? It's 12 with 12-inch apps. Base Money crew was cracking. Yo, it's launch day. I'm a couple days late. Sorry about that. Just doing some things over here, building. Check it out. Today I want to launch a custom component for my pages kit. It's a hero section custom component made by my friends over at Just Hodl. All right. This is a custom component that you can plug into your pages kit. Get yourself a dope layout really fast. Let me show you how I do it. Come up here, open up my dashboard to my blocklet. I gotta add the new blocklet, right? So I hit blocklet, come over here, add blocklet. This is the good thing about having a page already set up, is you can launch blocklets super easy and everything's composable, so it's just works. Let me find this hero section. Here it is, hero section. Right now, you see me, I'm looking through the official store, so I choose the hero section, add hero section, terms and conditions. Boom, introduction. Let's see that install is done. Install happened less than 30 seconds. I was able to get a new blocklet onto my page that was less than 20 seconds really. But let me start it up. You see it's started down here, it's running. Man, everything's running smooth right now. I'm feeling it. Okay. So once I get that custom component up, I go to my page maker dashboard. Let me come to my page maker dashboard. You'll see here are the different pages that I have. I have a test page that I use in order to try out new components that I make or things that I'm testing out. All right, so I go to test. Nothing on this page yet. All right. I need to launch that custom component. So you see right here, components. This is where you launch the different components that you build your page with. Arcblock has the dopest web page builder around. It is the dopest. It's decentralized. You don't give up any data, and it's the least expensive. So it's the dopest and it's the least expensive. Come on now. I hit custom component. You see this pop up here. So it says, please select component to render. All right, perfect. Let me come over here to my drop down list. Choose from the different custom components that I've made. And at the bottom, I see hero section. So I click on that. Boom, hero section. This is the custom component that they made, right? So let me show you. If I go to the blocklet store, okay, and I write hero section, okay. So this is right now I'm in the official Arcblock store. You can see this is where you can launch it from by itself. So here's the preview of it, okay. I go back to my page editor, and now I'm gonna freak this, okay. So look at how I can customize this. I go to text color. Let me see here. So what they did was they made a custom component, and then they made all these parameters so that when you load the custom component, it's super easy to manipulate the way that you want it, to customize the way you want it. So I go to text color. I hit red. Boom, look at that. Changed all the colors to red. Okay. Now up here is the title. Right? It says you made it here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change that to 12 inches of funk. So boom, you see it. It's now 12 inches of funk. All right, good job, guys. Subtitle. Let me hear you. Let me see. Just bangers. Sorry about my dog barking. Okay. Just bangers. Bam. Now I was able to put that in there. All right. Now the next is the description. All right. Say we make beats that bang. Okay, boom, just bangers. All right, perfect. Now it says button text. This is the next parameter. Shop now. Get them beats. All right. So basically, right now, this button, the way that they have it set up, you see it says button link, and so they have a default one that goes to Just Hodl. Look, if I click that, it goes to Just Hodl, goes to their store. Go in there and get some merch. All right? Look at that Arcblock shirts, Asian sweaters. Damn, I gotta cop me one of these, guys. I didn't even know you guys had these. Dope. Okay? All right, let me get back, though. So, boom. Button link. Let me go ahead and I want to go to, for me, HTTPS 12inchapps.com. That's my website. You guys need to go check that out, okay? So now Look at, I put that in. Now look what happens when I press it. Boom, it goes to my website. This is instantaneous. I'm telling you. Okay, button background. So let me see here. Can I change the color to that? Yeah, I changed it to gray. Sick. All right. Button text color down here. I like all these customization. Boom. So look at, I already got it looking like something that I made. Okay. So right here they have a video looping in the back. So I could choose another video to put in. I can upload a video right from my device, or I can select from videos that I've uploaded. I don't know if I have any already uploaded. Yeah, I got this one uploaded. So let's see here. I think this is kind of long, but let's just see it. Yeah, that's a long video. I don't want to upload that one. I want to make a quick video for you guys. Let me find a shorter video that I have. Okay? How about this one? What's this one? 12 seconds. No, it's a minute and 12. I need a shorter video just for this demonstration. I know I can upload a longer one, but I don't want to. Okay? Let me just upload this bonk one. This one's like 30 seconds. Okay? So I'll upload that. Bam! You see, now I got this video. My bonk video is in the back. The video I made, he transitions in, and then about after 30 seconds, he transitions out. And you can customize this any way that you want. Even if you didn't even want to have a video, you could just not include a video, and then you got that. Boom! This is dope. This is a dope custom component. I really like. I mess with custom components, man. I build them, and I think this one is dope. It's a dope hero section. That's a sick name, and that's what's up. Launch day. That's what we're doing over here. Okay, so shout out to the guys over at Just Hodl for building this. Love to see it. Love to see what you guys are making things happen. And keep on building. Keep on doing your thing. And I'm gonna mess with this a little bit more here. Like you see, I could take this out. Keep changing the colors on things. You just customize everything. That's what's sick about the custom components. And then okay, so once I have this up, now you see here, I just go to publish to staging. Go to these are all the different pages that I have, but I just want to publish this test one. Okay, so I choose test. Go to preview. Go to staging. Now this is showing me what it's going to look like when it's on the internet. Publish to production. Goes from staging to production. Those are the two steps. Boom. So now this page is basically live on the internet. Let's see here. 12-inch apps. Then it's the test page. So let's see here. Boom. Test page is live. Just bangers. Boom. It's on the internet. This is what I'm saying. Arcblock has built a solid foundation for us to be able to, in a decentralized manner, get our web pages up like that. Cracking. Okay? And it's 2024. About to be 2025. If you don't have a web page of your own, I don't know. I think you're lacking. Honestly. I think it's like not having a car. How are you going to get anywhere on the net if you don't got your own page? It's like you don't got your own house. You're just sleeping on your homie's couch. You're sleeping on Twitter's couch all the time. That's not the business. How you going to get any chicks if you're only sleeping on your homie's couch? That's not the business, Anon. So, check it out. Go launch you a page maker. It's super cheap. Let me see here. 1.5. I think it's probably like it is probably less than $10 a month to have your own website up and running, and then you can make your own custom components. You can launch them like this if you don't feel like that's something you want to do. But there has been an explosion of blocklets. Like, look at this. Okay, look at the on the Arcblock store. These are all mine that I've made that I got inside the official store. Okay, a lot of these are custom components. Not all of them. Spray Candy's a game. You can go play that, win free music downloads. But let's look at the blocklet store. Okay, I'm gonna go to all. Look at all of these blocklets. I mean, these are apps. A blocklet is just a name for a decentralized application. That's all it is. Oh, there's the DID mail. I gotta launch that one next time. I gotta check that one out. There's my QR generator. These are all apps. So a blocklet is just a name for an app, essentially a decentralized app. That's what, there's the BM 9000. Okay. You can already go in there. And so what's also dope is that you can go, when you do launch an app, you can go in here and leave a review. So, say, hey, this is BM 9000. We are all the way up. That's right. There's my review to the the decentralized beat maker that we made. All right, boom. So that's what it is. So you know what I'm saying? Go build something, Anon, and because you got to build your own future. That's what men do. We don't sit around waiting for people to build it for us. You know what I'm saying? We find tools and then we build we build it ourselves. The tools are already here for it. We don't have to make the tools. The tools have already been made for us to build. So we got it super easy. The guys at Arcblock have given us a whole bunch of tools to build. So come check it out though. This is 12inchapps.com. That's my page. I built this, like this custom banner right here. You click on this, boom, takes you right over to the BM 9000. Start making beats, dropping beats like a pro. I'm telling you. I made this whole thing is custom right here. Like, let me refresh this. Look how my bonk cook spins in there. Yeah, I did that with the custom shimmer. All right, custom contact us. So, hey, if you're interested in collabing, or you want me to build you a page or build you a custom app, I can do that. Just hit this contact us button. I made this button, and it's going to shoot you an email right over to me, 12inchprofit@gmail.com. But I also built this infinite image slider. These are all the logos of different apps that I built. Because I'm building my future and I'm not waiting for anybody to build it for me. Nah, I gotta get my hands dirty. All right, that's how we're doing it. So, yo, go check out the Arcblock store. If you see an app on there that you want me to launch for the next launch day, maybe you still a little scared, to connect your wallet. Maybe you just not ready yet. Just drop me a line and I'll be happy to do it. All right. Because I'm all about raising people up. You know what I'm saying? We can't be crabs in a bucket. We gotta be pulling each other out. And that's what it is, all right? So 12, thanks for joining me today on this quick little video. Hope you enjoyed it. And I'm out. Peace.